What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Corvette. Glad you're tuning in. Well, as you can see in the title and the thumbnail, we're going to another car show here at Alamo Toyota here in San Antonio. I've never been to this one before, but hopefully it's a good turnout. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, guys, as I will be trying to bring out as much as possible. Y'all know we're trying to build a house right now, so I've been kind of not being, modding the Corvette. But don't worry, guys, in the future I'll be doing small stuff and then hopefully big stuff with power adders and stuff like that in the future. But I'm just gonna try to bring as many videos as I can for y'all. I know you're kind of like watching the car shows and seeing what's there, but just kind of be patient, guys. I'm trying my best to do it, but I appreciate y'all and I thank y'all. Anyway, guys, let's go ahead and check out the car show. Let's go. All right, guys, real quick, I'm gonna head to the car show in just a second, but I just kind of wanted y'all see the overpass that I'm kind of hanging out on. There's the sun coming from that side, and then you can see it's over there where the dealership is, but I kind of just wanted to get a shot of the overpass here. And there's my whip right there, clean, as y'all always know. It's always clean, but I think I see a Lamborghini over there or something, so we're gonna see some pretty cool cars at what it looks like. So let's go ahead and check it out, guys, and we'll get some good footage. I can't even talk right now, I'm so excited. All right, guys, so we are parked kind of in the back. I didn't expect at 8 o'clock that this show would basically be full already, but Fiercey, I see you right there, bro. You're right there. But yeah, I'm having to park way in the back where all the normal cars are selling is, because this place is already full. But I'm gonna get way over there in the back and get some stuff going over there. And there's a bunch of cars, some for exotics and stuff. So let's go ahead and check out over there, guys. There it is, Fiercey. BMW looking good, man. Always looking good. And then next to it, we got a nice little CTS-V. I like the gray, that gray color. That looks cool. Little van. Look at that anime. All right, guys, we're making the rounds. We got a nice convertible 5 over here, black on black. The little Mustang S550. And a Toyota, but I do see a lot of the GTRs right behind it. I can't wait to get the front of those, because that will look really nice. Check it out. You don't see too many of these here. Let me get a shot of the interior.
Oh, this was in a 5-speed.
Man, yeah, you don't see too many of those, guys.
Overcharged it.
All right, guys, so we have a line of the Subaru WRXs over here, so I'm just gonna kind of show y'all. That's pretty nice. I like these, the gold wheels on it, all of the highlighter stuff, the accents. That looks pretty nice though. That one's clean too. Subi gang, all lined up. Kind of show y'all the shot there. Oh boys, look, I see a C7 Z06 and it's chopping. Oh my gosh. That thing is nice. What'd it do? Oh my God, it sounds so good. Bro, I can't get enough of the C7. I gotta get more action of it because it just sounds so good. All right, guys, I'm just gonna show y'all the quick interior. He's got like the tan and the black kind of scheme. Z06. You can kind of see it right there. Hey man, if another Corvette comes in, especially if it's a C7, I gotta get the footage of that because you already know. And you know, you got your row of trucks going all the way down on that side, and I see some exotics over there, but we'll get there. Do want to take a look at this Porsche. That's pretty nice. And then here's another line of, I think, Lexuses. But look, you can see the, look at that. Look at it. Look at it. Oh man. Twin turbo. Hey, it may look old, but it whoop your butt. All right, guys, look here. The Skylines, GTRs. Look at that. Look at it. Look at it.
I wasn't gonna stand. Yeah, probably like those people.
Look at it. Oh man, that is clean. Real clean. Check out the 370 with the Toyos. All right, guys, we made it to the exotic portion. So they're gonna just check this out. The Evora Lotus GT yellow. Let me get a shot of the interior. That's kind of want to see it. It's so tight in there. But check that out. And then I'll get a back shot of the engine in the back, as you can see right there. And look, there's a couple more Ferrari, Lamborghini, but we'll get there. All right, guys, check it out. So we got this really nice Ferrari over here. Man, what I would do to drive something like this. You can see the engine bay, real clean, and a back shot. Then you got the Lamborghini, I think it's the Gallardo? Murcielago? I don't know. I'm not too familiar with those kinds. There's his Insta, if you want to see it. Love the back. Back looks really good. And then a really nice C8 over here. I like the scheme. It just makes it look different. The red and yellow offsetting the gray. You can kind of see it's like the same in there as well. If we take a shot of the back. Same thing over here. You can see the scheme and the shot of the back. Oh boys, check out this old school Malibu coming in. Look at that. And then check out this, guys. Look, RX-7. I've seen this one before at a Rise in Coffee meet. Oh my gosh. Yes. Oh my gosh, dude. Those two cars, that Malibu and that RX-7, dude, clean. All right, guys, so we're still continuing to make our rounds. We got a lot of everything here. I'm just trying to get as much as I can. Do see a little 300ZX over here. It's got a big turbo on it. Let me try to get a shot.
Eventually it just blew up because it's my fault. I'll take the. But I was like, you know. Yeah. No, not exactly.
Pretty clean there. And then you got a pretty clean black, whatever this is. I have no idea. Kind of looks like a GTR, but I'm not too familiar. I think it is. But yeah, Nissan twin cam, 24 valve. Looks pretty clean though. All right, guys, now we're in front of the dealership, as you can see over there. But we got a bunch of the new Supras kind of lined up. Let me just kind of get a video of showing y'all all of them. You know, you got all the different types of colors and stuff like that. Looks pretty good. And you got some, you know, highlighter green, highlighter yellow. Looks really interesting. You know, it's got a, I like that green one. That's pretty interesting. And then you got a couple of the older Supras over here that we'll kind of see. Lots of them, lots of them. Supra gang. I like this red one. Sorry about the music, guys. I'm like right next to the speaker, but I just wanted to get a shot of this one. It looks really clean. And then there was another one right here next to it too. I wanted to get a shot of this one too. And then this one back here. Good Lord, look at the size of this Toyota. It's not a 4Runner, a Tacoma, sorry, Tacoma. Wow, that thing is huge. All right, guys, and then we got another Supra over here. Look, he's got a little bike rack on top. And a clean GT 350, blue, white stripes. I think I saw these guys in my last video. Pretty clean though. Orange, 5.0 as well. And then the kind of interesting paint job, Silverado. He goes to a lot of stuff too. I've seen his car. And another CTSV. Look at that. Very nice. All right, guys, check this out. Challenger over here. It's got a wide body slammed to the ground. And looking, I mean, real sinister. I mean, look how wide it is, guys. Hold on, let me get a shot up of the wheels here, just so you can see. Deep dish, I mean, drop down, wide body, all the way, everything. My goodness, I'm sure this thing is interesting to drive, to say the least. But guys, look how wide it is. My goodness, very interesting. Looks cool though. There's another shot of the dealership front with all the cars in the front there. You can kind of see it. All right, guys, behind here there is a really nice Supra over here. Look, it's got like a kind of a interesting paint with carbon fiber. It looks really nice. You can see the shot there. In the sun, the paint does something really cool. Then you got another one right there, 4Runner in the back. Check out this Supra, guys. Look, it's like got a lot of stuff on it. Diffusers, spoilers, huge wings, big Wayne gang. I like the wheels, the white and the yellow. Little Rice Krispies on the back. It looks interesting there. Check it out, guys. We got another exotic, a Audi R8. Iron Man. I like the wheels. V10, interesting. I haven't seen this color. You always see them like silver or black or something, but not this kind of blue. Just get a walk around real quick. Blue calipers to match. And that's the shot. Check it out, guys. We got like that SS coming in. Chop, 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 chop. Another old school Lexus. All right, guys, we found another Hemi Daytona, a Charger. Very nice. Looks good, bro. You always keep it fresh and clean. Looks real good. Alrighty, guys, I think that's about it for the video. Bunch of cars came out. Pretty good show. What else can I say? Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, guys, and I hope you all do enjoy the content on the channel, so I'm going to be bringing you as much as I can. Alright, guys, until the next video, this is the Corvette out. Peace.